Greetings, folks. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Tractor Fella channel, where we don't do a whole lot with tractors and always have traffic. Let's kick off this holiday season and New Year with a cold start from the Sassy Massey. Here we go. It is a positive 5 degrees Fahrenheit out right now. Okay, fuel is flowing. Plugs are glowing. And go. Oh. Well, that's extremely disappointing. Okay, let's try no glow. And we're out of luck. Oh, man. September of 2018. Probably part of the problem. Let's see if the Gulu can save the day. The light is green, the trap is clean. Round 2, we'll do a quick glow this time, so we don't suck all the juice out of the battery. And go. Oh. Not very happy at all. Cycle the glow plugs a little bit more. And we're ready. Time to go feed the horses. What a great day. Merry Christmas to all. And to all, we'll see you right here next time on the Tractor Fella channel.